Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how Nepali people eat food in their daily lives. So first of all we have to wash the eggs so that the hen seeds will all removes, and so turn on the gas stove quietly. The Oh my god, what was that? So the gas may be some technical problem, so I changed the gas stove, and I'll again light the fire and put the pan on the stove. The low heat is important. The most thing is kachura is important, and I have to put uh, the cleaned egg in kachura so we can mix it up. Yes. Okay, light turn on the light for the good videos, and here we go. So the pan is getting heated hotter, and we have to pour some little amount of oil, and I'm pouring sunflower oil of Amrit company, just a little amount of oil because it's non-sticky. And I'm going to break the eggshell. Twak 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 twak. Okay, and I'm pouring the egg in the chara. I'm very lobby person, so I want every single drops of eggs. Okay, enough. And here's the second one. I'm going to again break the egg cell and pour it in the kachora. 1 2 3 go. I just want to remove the yellow part, but it came down unfortunately. I'm going to wash my hand, clean my hand. There is a little bit of amount of eggs stick in my hand, which makes my hand sticky. And I'm going to put some little amount of salt. If we put more quantity, then it will be salty. And let's do it. 2 eggs, okay? I have put some salt here, and I am secking. Yes. It's well easy. So let's cover all the sides of lens so don't get sticky. And let's pour in the pot pan. The heat must be in low flame. Yeah, the heat is low, so let's wait for some minutes. Okay. यो एउटा हातले निकाल्न चाहिँ कति गाह्रो हुँदो रहेछ। भात धेरै खान्छ हामी नेपालीले, म पनि भात धेरै खान्छु, तर भाते चाहिँ भन्ने होइन है, कमेन्टमा चाहिँ भाते नलेख्नु है। This is my rice and this is still cooking. पाक्दैछ। त्यसैलाई एकचोटि चाहिँ यस्तो गरेर यस्तो गरिदिएपछि चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि तपाईहरुलाई थाहा नै होला है। यस्तो गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ पातल 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 हुँदै जान्छ अहिले फैलिन्छ भन्नु पर्यो पातल हुँदै फैलिन्छ खाना चाहिँ रेडी भएको छ यसलाई चाहिँ यस्तो 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 गरेर थालमा यसरी फक्लक्क हाल्ने ल यो चाहिँ नेपाली स्टाइलवाला हो ग्यास बन्द गर्ने अब खाना सुरु गर्ने ग्वाम खाने